Blaming others for our unhappiness and feeling guilty when someone else is unhappy is common in our culture. It begins in childhood when we get the message that we're the cause of our parents' feelings. It can be really overt, like, you're going to be the death of me, or you make me sick, or some other equally destructive statement. And it can be quite subtle too, like needing to be really good or good at something in order to feel loved. We end up feeling responsible for meeting our parents' expectations and for keeping them happy. We carry the suppressed anger and erroneous beliefs like this into our adult life. Just give it a thought and see how you feel.